them home. And for all those people who think the Food Saver is not worth the money, it is. So I just take the bag. And I will do 1, 2. These are pretty big pieces of chicken, so I like 3. And I'll put a link to the Food Saver where you can purchase one in the bags. They also come in